The COC CrossLoc bearing is so easy to install. It's basically out of the box and onto the shaft. Then tighten these 4 hex head screws in a star pattern. Once the bearing is properly seated on the shaft, come back and double check the torques to the proper setting. That torque amount can be found on the installation videos from the QR code on the side of the bearing. Be sure that there is a clear visible gap between these 2 collars. We have a customer that has been using some cold rolled shafting and suspected that it's a little bit undersized. So the question is, hey, how do I know after I've installed this bearing if the shaft is undersized and it's installed properly? I went ahead and installed this bearing, and you'll notice that there's no gap between these 2 collars, which means I cannot properly torque it to the shaft. You can see here that these are tight against each other. This is an incorrect installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the bearing. I'm going to index the adapter into the bore of the bearing a little deeper so that it will engage properly, and then retighten the hex head screws. Now that I've removed the bearing, I'm going to index the adapter into the bore a little bit deeper by just rotating it clockwise. You'll notice now that I've got a couple of threads exposed on the outer collar, and I'm going to reinstall the bearing. All right, now that I've adjusted the adapter sleeve into the bore of the bearing, I've reinstalled it, tightened the hex head screws to their proper torques, and you can see that there is a clear visible gap all the way around the bearing between the collars, and this bearing is now installed properly.